welcome to my channel. On this channel I do how-to videos and I publish videos every other day. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like one of the videos and keep watching. So today is a little bit different. Today I'm going to be talking about nails. Look at my nails. Oh my gosh. I'm sure that you are blinded by the sparkliness of my nails. So today I'm going to be talking about my trip to Merle Norman in Calgary. I went to Chinook Center's Merle Norman on McLeod Trail, and I like going to that spa because they have a lot of different services. They have massage, I get my eyebrows done and like waxed, and they have a bunch of beauty products there, and the staff is really friendly. But also I get my nails done there. You can get pedicures and manicures and massages and all that, and I need massage therapy. So as you can see, I got my nails done. These are my own nails. So they are not acrylic nails, they are just my own nails. And so I will go over in this video the process. I didn't take pictures inside of there, but the nail tech did take pictures afterwards, and I took pictures beforehand too on the day. So I'm gonna cut to those right now and then I'll be back. I'm gonna go get my nails done at 4. If you can see, one of my nails broke, so it's not as uniform, it's not as bad. But I'm gonna get that done. I'm eating some egg bites from Starbucks on the way, but I'm pretty excited to finally get my nails done with shellac. Next time I'm going to get my nails done, it's going to be more of a kind of long Japanese nails kind of style, but I was very impressed. They feel really nice. They don't feel super heavy. Like I said, they're my own nails, so it's going to be easy to type with them, and they are fairly long still. She evened them out so that, because before I had like super long nails here and here, so she evened them out so they look pretty good. But yeah, I'd like to get kind of like little beads and jewels and stuff on my actual nails next time, and I'm gonna try to get more moisturizer on my hands when it's all done and over with. But like I said, I was very happy with how everything was done. I gave her a very good tip. It was about like $55-$60 to get them done, and it took about an hour to get them done, but they look awesome. And yeah, the staff was really nice, and I'm going to put the link in the bottom of the name of the lady who was the nail tech. I think her name was like Biosculpture Calgary Angela or something like that. So I'm going to put it in the bottom there so you can find her, and she does do really awesome nails, and she's on Instagram as well as at Merle Norman. So I hope that these last maybe like 2 weeks or so, and then I'll go and get them done again and see how long my nails grew. But you can't even tell. I keep showing this hand because this is the finger here where my nail snapped off right before getting my nails done. So it was like that low, and you can't even tell that it's like not my real nail there. So like I said, it was an awesome day, and I got a lot of stuff done, and I just felt really nice and pampered getting my nails done. Bye.